Hello my cute little viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, as the title suggests, we are reading Harry Potter again and embracing these rainy days, these monsoon. Although the rain has stopped, so I get to record this. There is enough light now. So while reading Harry Potter, I realized I wanted to make new bookmarks and I wanted to make something inspired by Harry Potter world. So we'll be making that in this video. Now, before I leave you to it, I'm pretty sure it's one of your favorite book or your favorite movies. So let's read this. So I am on chapter 12, The Mirror of Erised, and I would like to share this to you. So Dumbledore catches Harry looking into the mirror once again, and he confronts him saying that what is this mirror is about. So he explains the happiest man on earth would be able to use the mirror of Erised like a normal mirror. That is, he would look into it and see himself exactly as he is. So Rowling was trying to tell us that if somebody is happy, then the person doesn't want anything in life. Now, I feel this is a little bit contradictory because desires, dreams, and wishes are so important. If I don't have them, then I don't have any motivation in life to look forward to, and I don't have anything to look forward to. Maybe we could say that we should not let these desires or these wishes control us or overwhelm us or empower us, so we lose the balance in life. I mean, it's okay to have dreams and desires, right? It's just they are a source of happiness as well. When you achieve something in life, you feel really good and confident. So it's impossible for anybody not to want anything in life. And I think it shouldn't be that way. We should have dreams, we should have wishes, we should have desires, so we feel motivated to work for them. So yeah, that's what I feel, and I thought I should share this with you. So yeah, now if you would like to say anything on this or what are your views, feel free to comment down below. And now I'm going to make some bookmarks and I'll see you there. Goodbye.
You have to be trained up a bit, of course.
Malfoy.
Oh dear.
Hagrid was one.
Dumbledore sent them off to Romania.
So, it's our job.
Usually the destiny for this one. Alive.
He taps this, begins over.
Take someone's eye. Besides, you're saying it wrong.